Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at Apex 2018 and I'm joined by Christian from Ikor. Christian, thanks for stopping by. I've kind of followed what Ikor are doing over the last few years in Mexico, in Spain and in China, and you seem to be really moving along this Industry 4.0 smart factory path. How important is that as part of your business strategy?
Oh, well, yes, Ikor management team has a big commitment with this topic. So we believe that the very important thing is to build the environment, the ecosystem. So this way we'll be able to achieve Industry 4.0. So we have a big challenge. We believe that people, machines and software need to work together. So one very big achievement from Ikor, it was that we have built a corporate team where IT technicians and specialist key users are working together in order to provide the best solution to our customers. So I think this is a great improvement. I believe IT department has long ceased to be just, IT, in the background, just fixing computers. So I think IT department needs to be the binder between Ikor strategy and the technological solutions.
Yeah, and it's really interesting you say that, because I think IT was always called in at much too late a stage. Now they're part of the strategic team, and that's a big success. And really this whole smart factory is all about IT and operations working together. How did IT respond to being put in that strategic position? Did they really embrace that new role?
Oh, they did, and it is awesome to see this team working together. It's awesome. So IT is included in the management team in all of our plants. So if there is any need from any customer or an internal need, this will reach to our IT department. So it is great. We can see technicians and experts in different areas working together within an IT environment to find the best solution. It is really amazing.
Yeah, and it's great to see all that domain expertise along with IT come together. When you look at that from a customer point of view, customers are looking to see some benefit, maybe have a bit more visibility on their work. How have they responded to your strategy in the Industry 4.0?
I think customers are very satisfied. We are also very proud of our R&D department, which help us to make tailor-made solutions for our customers. And I think the future is already here. Our customers are demanding more than just an electronic manufacturing system, and I think Ikor is in the good path.
Yeah. Last question: when you look at contract manufacturers, we've been through the battle of being the largest, we've been through the battle of being the cheapest. Is it now all about being the smartest?
Oh, absolutely. I think getting some software, getting the environment, building an IT team is not about cost efficiency. We need to provide some smart solutions, and maybe not the cheapest way, but the most efficient way. And I also believe that they're not longer customers and suppliers. This is all about partnership and working together.
Yeah, I think working together is really important. I'm sure you're going to talk to lots of new partners and see some potential products here. Good luck with the show, and thank you very much for talking to me.